Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video we will discuss about how to do LCM in the Java. So this is very simple guys, so I'll show you very simple way how to write the coding when interviews asks, especially write the coding for LCM means you can write this method. Okay, so I'll show you very simple method in understandable manner. So what I'm trying to do is here I'm creating the new class for the writing the program. So LCM, I'm giving the method name called LCM and adding the public static void method. Okay, this is the class. How to do the LCM actually? So probably right, user dynamic way how to write the code. For example, user can give any number, either one like A, B values. I mean to say, like, users are trying to give the runtime two values, then we need to find the LCM instead of giving fixed value. For example, integer A equal to 10, okay, integer B equal to 15. Instead of giving fixed like this, we can give runtime. How in the ATM machine, how like we are going to enter our pin like that. So same way, user can enter their wish. They can enter any of their number. So we can write the code in such a way that. So if you want to give freehand to the user means we need to import one scanner class. Then only we can give like terminal to the user to write the code. So for that I'm creating object for scanner. System.in. So this is the object creation. So I have imported this scanner class. So I'm just trying to print the system.out.println. Please enter the two number. You will understand why I am writing all these things while we debugging the code. Then you will understand why I am giving all these things. So now I have given the system.out.println. So we need to give whatever the users are storing, we have to store that into the one data type, right? So for example, integer A equal to scan dot next int. So first one, whatever the users are entering, that number we are storing into A, and the second number we are going to store into the variable called B. So now we have got the two variables. Either we can go like this also. For example, integer A equal to 10, integer D equal to 15, like that. But I don't want to give the fixed one. So user need not to always go with the 10 and 15. Sometimes they may need 115 LCM. Sometimes they need 115, 100 LCM. So when we go with this way, then we can avoid these fixed values. So that's the reason I have written all these things. And then what we have to do? What is the logic for LCM? LCM means, right, least common multiple. So let's say you always assume like we are going to write for 10 and 15. Okay, LCM. So what is the LCM for 10 and 15? Obviously it is 30. So both are meeting at 30 only. So this is the LCM for 10 and 15. How to write the logic? For example, I'll take one variable called now. So what I will do is I am going with a ternary operator. A greater than of B question mark A is to B. You know what does it mean? So I'm saying like, okay, leave about the left one. Integer num you can leave completely. I have written A is greater than of B. Ternary operator in the sense it will check this condition. This is the condition. This is true value and this is false value. So what I have written the condition? I'm saying A is greater than of B. Okay, and if A is greater than of B, if A is greater than of B means, then you can select the A value. Here in our case, A is not greater than of B, so this is the false. If suppose if A I have entered the 20, then this is the condition. Condition is passed, then it will select the true value. A means number equal to 20 in such case. So now what we entered? We have entered the 10 here. Okay, our condition is false. Then if condition is false means what, where it will go? It will go to B. B value is 15. Here B value is 15. So 15 will be stored into this number. Okay, let's say you just imagine like this. So number equal to B. This is, we are assigning, like just for your understanding I'm telling, like, so ternary operators are generally used to write one condition and will find out true or false. So in our condition is not satisfied, then it is going for the false condition. So it is selecting the false, then false value is 15. That 15 is getting stored into this number. So now we can say if number, what is the number value equal means it's 15, obviously 15, because here is the condition. Okay, then what I will do, condition while loop, you know, right? Hope I am thinking like you guys, everybody having like basic knowledge on Java. While means like I am going with the true condition. Every time you can check the number. Okay, so let's say this is the true condition. What I will do is I am checking the condition here. You can clearly observe while true. Okay, you can execute. The condition is true, you can execute this. Until the condition true, you can execute this. So whatever the code you have written here, okay, until unless you can stop it, until unless you can break it, it will keep on execute. So for what I am trying to do is, if number means number is 15, right? Number mod, okay, I'll tell you what I am trying to write here. Number mod of A equal to 0 and num mod of, mod means modulus, okay, equal to 0, then you can break it, else you can increase the number. You got it, right? So what I'm trying to do is, while condition is generally used to execute our program. Okay, so what I'm trying to do, what I have written here, if number means 15 mod of 10, let's say this is the 15 mod of 10, 15 mod of 10. Mod means, you know, right, like for example this is the 10. Okay, how to write? Okay, this is the 15 and this one. Okay, 10 ones are 10. Then what is the remainder here? Okay, if you enter here 10, okay, 10 ones are 10, then what you will got remainder? Remainder will be 5. So it will check the, when you go with the mod, it will take the remainder. But when you go with the division, for example, when you go with the division, it will take the 1. Got it, right? So what I'm trying to say is, when you are going with the modulus, it will division it and it will consider the remainder value. But when you go with the division means like this, when you go with the division, then it will consider the quotient value. Okay, 15 by 10 means 1, 15 mod by 10 means 5. Hope you got this. So what I am trying to do is, 15 in this condition, in the if condition, 15 mod of 5, 15 mod of 10 equal to 0, I am saying. Is that true? No. 15 mod of 10 equal to 5. This condition itself false. And means, you know, right, operator, if both conditions are true, if both condition, if n mod, number mod of A and number mod of B, if both are both conditions are true, then only it will get inside of the loop. So in the first condition, number mod of A 15 mod of 10, which is not equal to 0, so it won't even go inside of the condition. But when you enter the while condition, first it will check the if condition. Okay, it is not satisfied, fine, it will go to number increase, number again increase to 16, again 16 mod of 10, no it's not, again 17, 18, 19, means only number is getting increased because we are increasing the number. So let's say keep on, it will increase because we have explicitly written while condition as true. So let's say number has written 29. Okay, 29 mod of 10, even though it is not equal. Okay, 10 3s are 30. Okay, but it is 29. Okay, let's say number equal to 30. Okay, number equal to 30, number mod of 10. Then tell me what is the remainder here? 10 3s are 30. Then remainder will be 0. Okay, this condition is satisfied. Now number mod of A means 30 mod of 10. which is equal to 0. This condition is satisfied. Once this condition is satisfied, then only it will check the condition. Second condition, when you are going with the and operator, both conditions should be satisfied. Even though when the first condition is satisfied, then only it will check the second condition. That is the beauty of and operator. When you are going with the RR operator, even though first condition is false, it will go for the second condition. So that is the main difference. RR operator means either one condition should be pass here. And operator means both should be pass. So in our case, 30 mod of 10, okay, which is equal to 0. Then 30 mod of B. B value means what? B value is 15. 15, 10, like 30 mod of 15 means, okay, 15 to the 30. Again, we got the 0. Okay, then condition is getting break. So at the end, what we are getting? 30 is the LCM for this. So we can just print it out. LCM of A and B. B is number. We have to print the number only, right? So we are printing the number. See here, please enter the two numbers. So you got it, right? Even user need to understand it. That's the reason here I have given the like explicit message. If you don't give this, even though it is expecting two numbers to be entered, how user will understand? The message should be displayed to user, right? So that's the reason I have given please the two number. Please enter the two number. Okay, let's say this is my mistake. Please enter the two number. Okay. So here I have given 10, enter 15. Here we have to give enter. See, LCM of A and B is 30. Let's say we can run once again this program for the different numbers. Okay, let's say 14 and 300. So LCM of A and B is 2100. So this is why I have given the scanner as well as the system.out.println, this one. Then we are storing whatever the scanner we are storing, right? That one we are storing into integer A and integer B. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm giving you one practice program you can write for HCF, how you want to write the logic. Same, like the condition will be varied here only. Okay, in this number and here the condition. You just try once and I will try to upload into the next video. But once you tried, you can post into the comment section as well what you got the observation. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe our channel.